Alrighty folks, this is a 2015 Silverado. Going to be changing the reverse lights. I went ahead and did this one here off of my little Amazon specials here for Cyber Monday, Oxito. I might put the link up there on the bio or whatever. And this side here, this is just a Walmart Sylvania bulb. This one here. So yeah, walk you through here and how to take this taillight out, how I want to put the new one in, and yeah, energy sponsored by Rain. Alrighty, you have these two screws right here. They are T15 torque head. Go ahead and buzz them out. You can use a hand driver. I'm using power tools because that is superior. There you go. Give it a nice little tug. That sounded broken. If you're lucky enough, you'll break the tabs here, so that way it just slides in and out easier next time. So would recommend that, but also not. And then as you see here, we have the reverse bulb. You got your brakes, the reverse bulb. So you're going to give that one a little twisty poo. Oh yeah. And last time I put these in, I put a dab of electrical grease, dielectric grease in there, so that way stuff doesn't rot. Because I actually had to replace one of these plugs on that side because it corroded, so I went ahead and put dielectric grease in all of them. Would recommend. And then you go ahead and just pull that out. There's your old bulb. I'll go ahead and show you how you put the new ghetto, probably not the right size bulb in there. All right, new Amazon special is going in there. So we have the old bulb out, hopefully scratching the paint right now when you rub that on the cab or the bed, so that's cool. But this kind of doesn't go in the hole, like it's kind of weird, but like this is like a gooey, like kind of squishy material where you can just like slip her on in there, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, go ahead, don't manhandle it too hard, but just the right amount. So what I did on that other side is I just, lined it up. These tabs don't line up like how they do on this plug. So you kind of just like push down and like twist is what I found. Or like, do one of them motions until she pops in there. Is that it? All right, she's in there. And there you go. Then you go ahead and hope you get it right the first time. Plug it into your original connector. And then what I like to do is I have my keys in my pocket, hit the unlock button. Got it right the first time. Let's go. Look how bright that is. Very nice. And then since these are probably not the right bulbs, how it's retrofitted, I just got some electric tape here because it's not as tight of a seal as I would like. So just to keep like some of that road grime and maybe some water out of there, I'm just wrapping this kind of gently around where the opening is or where it goes in, just to keep some dirt and grime out. But yeah, things you gotta do. Risk it for the biscuit, Try not to like do the cooling fin like I did so much with that electric tape. So let's maybe just slide that down a smidge. But yeah, I don't know. She's nice and ghettofied, so there you go. That's how you do that. All right, here we go. The taillight is good to go. Examined everything, made sure it was in good working conditions. So we're gonna go ahead, here's these two tabs here that go into these two holes. So you go ahead and give her a little liner up there. Give her a little smack on in there like that. take your screws, get them, you know, hand tight if you want, and then just buzz them back in there. I gave her just 2 clicks there like that on the impact. There you go. That's how you do it. Replace the put those new ones in with the whichever these ones are, 921s. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do her there, folks. Have a fabulous day, evening, or night. See you next time. So I am this far away from the truck. This is how bright my face is. Like, I feel like these are really good. Really good bang for the buck. Alright, so I'm here. They're shining on their house over there. They are shadowing that CRV on that garage. That stop sign's bright, mailbox is bright. Let's see when they go out. Go out, go out, go out, go out, go out, go out, go out. Yeah.